So as I said, the CPU is the brains of the computer. It's responsible for controlling all activities between components. It's responsible for processing all data on behalf of hardware and software. CPU has three primary components, just so you know, disclaimer, that's not really going to be on the exam. This is just sort of, used to be stuff they asked about, and so we kind of just talk about it just as a kind of a history thing. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU, that's actually the heart of the CPU that actually performs the mathematical computations, the computing on binary zeros and ones. You've got control units, which are other little areas of storage, like in between storage, between memory, and so is registers. Registers are like a cache memory that the CPU has. I probably should have cache on here, but for some reason they've removed all references to it on the objectives, so I didn't have it. But because CPUs will have what's called L1, L2, L3 cache. And when you're looking at a CPU, it's actually how you can tell the difference. Like why have I got two i7 CPUs? Why is one of them $100 more than the other one? No, I mean, we could just blindly say, well, it must be better. But if you start digging into the details, then you'll see that in many cases, it is either additional cores or additional levels of cache that are available.